So this is working on a 3D printed bay right now, courtesy of Quaking Bacon. Thank you for sending this to me, buddy. I picked one of the files that you sent, and I'm pretty sure this is your uppercut. So yeah, I might be starting out with uppercut, and I'll keep in touch. So 28 minutes left to go. This is my first time ever using one of these things, so I'm new to it, but this is so cool to watch. A little plastic. It's like listening to an arcade game from the 60s. It's the only thought that I'm getting. Sounds like Galaga. Alright, that's all for today. You can see it's starting to get a little formation there to it. And I'll let you guys know what the final product is like. See you around.